What happens to a person's assets after they are gone? If there is no plan, the law decides, and that can lead to confusion, conflict and chaos. The most powerful tool to prevent this is a will. Let's understand this fundamental legal instrument. A will, legally known as a testament, is a formal declaration of a person's wishes for the distribution of their property after their death. It is governed primarily by the Indian Succession Act of 1925. The person making the will is the testator. They appoint an executor to carry out their instructions, and the people who receive the property are the beneficiaries. Why is a will so critical? First and foremost, it prevents family disputes by leaving clear instructions. Second, it allows you to decide who gets your assets, overriding the default, and often complex, rules of intestate succession. You can provide for friends or charities, not just legal heirs. Third, you can appoint a guardian for your minor children, ensuring their welfare. Finally, it makes the entire process of transferring assets simpler and faster for your loved ones. For young lawyers, the nuances are key. 1. In India, registration of a will is not compulsory, but it adds a strong layer of authenticity. 2. A will must be attested by at least 2 witnesses, who must have seen the testator sign or affix their mark. 3. Probate, the court's official approval of a will is not always necessary, but it is mandatory, for wills made in the cities of Mumbai, Kolkata or Chennai, or for wills relating to property situated there. 4. Minor changes can be made through a supplementary document called a codicil, which must be signed and witnessed just like the original will. And here is a critical point in Hindu law: a person can only bequeath property that is self-acquired. For ancestral or coparcenary property in an HUF, the testator can only give away their own undivided share, not the entire property. The rights of other coparceners cannot be defeated by a will. A will is not about planning for death. It is an act of responsibility to protect the living. It is a final, authoritative word. You have just been briefed. For more essential legal knowledge from Vidhi 360, subscribe now.